Computer system validation has traditionally been a slow and a manual process, one that often delays innovation and increases compliance risk. With the help of AI, the slow manual process can be fixed by streamlining validation for applications across R&D, manufacturing, and clinical operations. Zifo's AI-driven validation framework transforms this landscape, automating documentation, improving consistency, and reducing validation time by up to 75%. The solution leverages large language models and vision-based AI to interpret requirements, generate test scripts, and accelerate validation cycles without compromising traceability or regulatory rigor. Unlike traditional tools, this system is template independent and can process inputs in Word, Excel, video, and PDF formats. It automatically extracts and organizes requirements, builds contextual understanding of the application, and generates test scenarios and scripts, all through a conversational, guided interface. The solution also incorporates functional risk assessment and confidence-based evaluation metrics, assigning quantitative scores to each test scenario and case. This ensures that high-risk functions receive deeper scrutiny while maintaining efficiency through automation and AI-driven reasoning. Let's see how the solution works in action. The process begins with defining the application context, a critical step to help AI understand how the system operates. Context can be provided through various input formats such as user manuals, PDFs, Word documents, or even screen recordings, allowing the AI to extract functional details automatically. Previously saved context can also be retrieved directly from the database, enabling faster setup and consistency across multiple validation projects. The next step involves uploading requirement documents, either in Word or Excel format. The AI scans the document, identifies relevant tables, and extracts requirement data automatically. Once processed, the extracted requirements are displayed in a structured format, ready for analysis and validation. The system then performs a relevance analysis, comparing each requirement with the application context to assess how well they align. Low relevance scores trigger AI recommendations, guiding users to refine or supplement their context for better accuracy. Users can edit the context directly or add new supporting documents or recordings. Once the inputs are finalized, the AI initiates a functional risk assessment. It evaluates the impact of each requirement, classifying them by risk level, and identifying the number of test scenarios to generate. The model also provides transparent explanations for its reasoning, offering users a clear understanding of how risk ratings are derived. The next step begins with automatic test scenario generation. Each scenario is mapped to its corresponding requirement, with a confidence score displayed to indicate the AI's certainty. Users can manually review or refine scenarios as needed. The platform then transitions into test flow generation. Here, individual test scenarios are connected to form logical business workflows. This ensures smooth test case generation and well-defined preconditions for each step in the validation process. The process advances to the operational qualification phase. Test cases are generated automatically, complete with confidence scores and human-in-the-loop review options, ensuring both AI efficiency and expert oversight. Backed by Zifo's global expertise in science and AI know-how, the solution empowers teams to deliver faster, smarter, and fully compliant validation outcomes.